Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Gemini AI in your Gmail. So what you want to do, go ahead and open up your Gmail, guys. And once you're inside Gmail, you want to look towards the upper right hand side. You'll find the settings button, and you also have right next to that it says try Gemini. Now, in case you're not seeing this, I want to recommend that you head into your settings, guys, and just try to trigger this by clicking on all settings, and you want to go to your chat and meet, and you want to ensure that you turn on those chats, right? So you'll have the option that says chat, it says Google Chat, and you can turn these on and just go ahead and try that to see if it basically triggers it for you. Now once you have the Gemini available on your account, and if that doesn't work, you want to just go ahead and wait, right? You want to go ahead and wait, and I'm sure you will see the Gemini AI appear in your Gmail, right? So, and if you're not able to see it, just let me know in the comments below. I'll go ahead and create another video showing you how you can get the Gemini here in it. But once you have Gemini on your Gmail, you just want to go ahead and click on it. It says try. I want to mention this, that it requires you to have, let's say, one of those premium plans to be able to use this feature. So you'll be able to do a lot more in Gemini. So if you're a person who already have Gemini paid subscription, then you will be able to use this with your account, right? And it's going to definitely enhance the capabilities of Gmail. It's going to increase your productivity, and you can get a lot more done with this new feature here that is within Gmail available. So all you have to do, just simply click and try it now, guys. It's going to take you over to the Google one pager where you can just basically see that you can try it for free. So you just want to go ahead and, let's say, enter your credit card details, but you'll have 1 month for free, as you can see here. So you can try it for free, so you can get Gemini AI in your Gmail ready to use for absolutely nothing. So just go ahead and click and start the trial, guys, and you want to go ahead and enter your card details and just basically subscribe. So you have it, it says 1 month free trial, and obviously, you know what, if you try it for almost a month and you don't want to continue to pay, that is absolutely normal. That's the purpose of having a free trial, because you won't be charged before the 1 month, right? So, and I can guarantee you guys that it is definitely something that's worth it. So if you try it for the month and you say, oh, this is definitely increasing my productivity, you will continue with the subscription and pay for it. But it's definitely a great opportunity by Google to give us a 1 month free trial to be able to try out the new AI of Gemini here within your Gmail. So you want to go ahead and just basically hit the subscribe, guys. If you haven't filled in your card details here, you want to go ahead and fill in your card details. Simply click and subscribe. So like I'm going to do here, simply click and subscribe. And once we do that, guys, you will see that you have the option here to use it for 1 month free. So as you can see, it says I paid here, I subscribed, and if I go ahead and exit that, you will see that I can use Gemini in my Gmail. So as you can see here, I'm going to just simple click on that. Now once you subscribed, guys, you will see that you receive an email basically saying Google One here. So it says welcome. Here you can simply click on that email that you received, and it says try the Gemini Advanced. This is welcome to Google One, try Advanced. You can simply click on that, and here you see that you have Gemini. So you can just basically try the Gemini. You have the Gemini Advanced here. You can simply click chat with Gemini. You scroll down, right? You basically go down to where it says use Gemini. You continue here. You can choose if you want to receive email or not, and you have Gemini available here. So that's how you can quickly go ahead, and guess what, you can always switch to different language models if you so desire. And once you complete this process, guys, all you have to do is go back to your Gmail. Once you go back to your Gmail, you do a quick refresh, you will see that you now have Gemini in the upper right hand side. So it says ask Gemini. You click on that, and guess what, you have Gemini readily available to you here on the right hand side. You can ask it to whatever you want. In my case, I'm gonna say what is today's date as an example, right? You get the idea. You ask Gemini whatever you want, and you can just simply get it. You can use Gemini within your Gmail. That's the most important thing. So yeah, you want to get Gemini Advanced. If you want to use Gemini, as I said and as I show you here, guys, you get 1 month for free, so you can quickly register, sign up, get the Gemini, try it out for free for a month, see if you like it, and if you do, you can continue with this. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. And guys, if at any point in time you feel like you no longer want to continue with the subscription, it's absolutely fine, right? So you just need to head over back to your Gemini account. And once you're inside your Gemini account, you want to click your settings on the lower left hand side. You click on that, then you click on the manage subscription here. And guess what? You go to where you have the cancel membership, and you can either go to change membership plan or cancel membership, and you have the option to cancel. You click on cancel, and then you basically cancel the membership there. And you can see here that it shows you here that, oh yeah, this is the membership subscription that you have, and it tells you when you'll make your next payment. You simply click on manage, and you will have the membership plan here. So here you click on it, and guess what? You just need to simply click and cancel the subscription. You click on cancel again, and guess what? That's how you basically cancel it. And as you can see right here, the membership is canceled, and you just need to click and OK. And that's it. At any point in time you want to continue, or you wish to continue, you can always come back and resubscribe. But as you can see here, mine is now canceled. And that's it, guys. That's the sum of it, guys. That's how you basically use Gemini AI in your Gmail account. Go ahead and try it out. If you find it useful and you feel like your productivity is increasing, you want to go ahead and keep that membership, because definitely it is something that is definitely worth having. I'm using it in a different account, my personal account, guys, and I must tell you that it's amazing. So I want to recommend this to you, and that's how you go ahead and use Gemini AI in Gmail.